So I'll be going home in a body cast.
Yeah, we got 3 more weeks yet.
Yeah, this is a result of him falling off. Yeah, we went to this restaurant last night. What do you call that area that you tripped over? And it was like an elevated section of the floor.
Square thing that people were sitting down on cushions.
Yeah, this restaurant, it had, you know, like regular tables and chairs that you would eat at, and then next to us was this area that was like elevated, like a foot and a half. And then they had the little short tables for like the traditional Chinese.
No tables, just a cushion, and they had a tray.
Oh, this is a cushion. Oh, there wasn't any tables on there at all? Not even little short tables?
All they had was just a tray, which they ate from on the floor.
Come here.
But yeah, that's all. That's the result of him falling, and he got his skin tear on that arm. My God. Yeah, he's had a exciting time over here in the Philippines. What are we gonna do with him, Mom? I blame you, Mom.
I haven't fallen.
That's true.
I've been good. I haven't fallen.
What's the deal with your brother? Oh, I think he just likes all this attention. That's what I think it is.
That's why.
Yeah, that's what it is. Mm-hmm.
He'd be falling all over the place.
Well, I'm hoping that's the last of it. Dang. I don't think your body's gonna, you know, withstand any more falls, Uncle Ken.
Oh, that was done at the swing thing.
I mean, yeah, that was a swing on that one. Yeah, that swing, that was off the chain. I mean, that was a complete surprise. You know, I thought it was just going to be a smooth, you know, like once the cables released us, I thought it was just going to be just a smooth.
Never thought about having a dip.
No.
Well, I mean, what it was like they dropped you off a 10-story building, and then you fell for like several stories, and then after you fell several stories, then it caught you and then it swung you out. Yeah, that was freaky.
That's what. What a ride.
Yeah, that was a result of that. Mm.
Yeah, when I saw that crowd there, I thought something happened.
I think Irene needs to become a nurse. She's been doctoring my foot, and now she's having to doctor his arms and legs, knees, elbows. My God.
Yeah, this is just week 1.
Yeah, this is just the first week, man.
Got 3 yet to go. You got bandages all over you.
We've only just begun.
Yeah, you can't tell we're related, huh? Yeah, they're putting some betadine on there. Prevent any bacterial growth on there, hopefully. I think we should have picked up some more of that triple antibiotic ointment.
Hindi naman po sila tiya. Sama na ako. Mas dinat mo ba check up ay kadali maayo.
Uncle Ken.
Hindi naman ganito no.
What am I gonna do with you, man? You know, after he got that he was still wanting to do the zip line after that.
Yeah, yeah. The bicycle was easiest.
There's no telling what it happened.
Well, we were asking him when they were hooking us up that we asked him what's the oldest person that's been on there on that swing, and they said it was a 84-year-old female, and he said he's gonna come back in like 7 years to beat the record. If he's still in one piece.
He's still alive.
Oh, of course he is, Mom. Gotta give him some hope now.
I'm a tough old CBL will never die.
Ay, nako.
My kid acts away.
You want some more of that?
Burning in the kitchen.
You want some more of that, buddy? What's going on over there?
I guess it
You
is.
all right there, buddy?
I don't know.
My feet is hazardous to my health.
Oh my.
All right, well.
Stay tuned.
All right.